In a week, on August 28th, the premiere of the new generation of the hybrid crossover MG ZS will take place. The car will be presented simultaneously in Europe and Australia. The power plant of the model includes a 1.5 engine and one electric motor. So far, the car has only been shown from the outside. The design can be examined in sufficient detail. The MG ZS will have traditional door handles and headlights. The body is noticeably wider in the area of the rear fenders. The power plant will include a 1.5 petrol 4 with a modest output of 102 HP. It will be assisted by an electric motor with a capacity of 136 HP. The battery capacity will be 1.83 kWh. The total output will be 194 HP, which is more than most of its classmates. It is expected that the MG ZS will also be released in a purely petrol modification and as an electric car. Such an assortment will expand the number of potential buyers to the maximum possible. The first customers will receive their ordered MG ZS hybrids in October. MG Motor, a company owned by the Chinese state-owned concern SAIC, plans to build a car factory and a research and development center in Mexico. The country is to become a new growth pole for both the former British brand and the entire SAIC group. Production will be focused on the Latin American and Caribbean markets.